Understanding the world of digital businesses sometimes might feel mysterious, unclear, and confusing. How do actually brands grow? The massive amount of self-proclaimed gurus make it hard to follow. Because if you think that there's a hidden secret, then you might fear missing it out. And all of those who understand sales psychology know that using FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is a great way to close deals. Many leaders fall into one of these two categories. In the first category are those who act on FOMO. They feel they are missing out on something and believe in secret black boxes that can solve their digital growth challenges. And in the second category are people who are sick and tired by all the noise and don't really listen or believe anymore anyone. Thus they think they can solve everything on their own. But neither of these mentalities are helpful in digital. And as with most things in life, the direction we should aim for is to find balance. So how do you find balance in understanding the world of digital businesses? Well, it depends on what you're looking for, but I can give you a set of guiding questions. So next time when you need to decide whether to learn from others first or just try to do it by yourself, go ahead and answer these 5 questions. Number 1, does this sound too good to be true? Those who want to sell you the secrets of Pandora in digital will usually have just one true secret. They don't care about your results. They only care about selling you superficial information. The second question, does this look too cheap? Efficiency is critical, I know. However, when you decide to learn something because it's cheap, well, the know-how you will get is probably already available for free somewhere, and they are trying to sell you something without value. The third question, do they sell solutions or knowledge claiming that it's one size fits all? Be aware of solutions that look plug and play. I'm not saying there aren't such things, but in digital business development, most of the time you need a diagnosis first. Only after the right diagnosis, you can get to the appropriate solution. Imagine visiting a doctor with a sore knee, and without any further analysis, the doctor would recommend cutting down your leg above your knee and putting a prosthetic so you won't feel knee pain anymore. That would be really weird. And in such a scenario, you would for sure think twice before undergoing surgery. So next time when people want to sell you something that looks plug and play without any diagnosis, it's highly possible that they are trying to sell you something that won't fit your business. The fourth question, is it in line with my expectations? That's a super simple question that people forget to ask most of the time. Usually because it's not crystal clear what their expectations are. And if you don't know what exactly you are looking for, then there is a very high possibility that you will pay for something that is not entirely helpful. The final one, are my expectations realistic? It happens so many times that the expectations aren't grounded. And don't get me wrong, I'm a great supporter of mind-bending visions. However, visions are not for the short term, and overnight success doesn't exist. So you need to fact check your expectations and be aware of media-driven opinions. Look at the data. The data doesn't lie. And if you don't have data, well, that's the first step. Gather the right one. In case you are not sure how to gather the right data, drop me a message on LinkedIn. Also, if you're interested in learning more about digital transformation, subscribe here on YouTube or follow me on LinkedIn.